How to fix Steam no connection error. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix the no connection error on Steam. If Steam is stuck offline or says there is no internet connection, try these steps to get it working again. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet is actually working. So try opening a web page or running another app that uses the internet. So if those work fine, then the issue might be with Steam. Close Steam completely on Windows. You can right-click the Steam icon in the taskbar and choose Exit. Then, reopen Steam to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes, network issues can be fixed by restarting your router, so simply turn off your router and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Once your connection is restored, try launching Steam again. You can try setting Steam to run as administrator, so select Run as Administrator by right-clicking on your Steam shortcut on your desktop and see if Steam connects. Running as an administrator can sometimes help fix connectivity issues. Step number 5 is deleting your Steam's cache. So close Steam, open File Explorer, go to C, Program Files, x86, then Steam, locate the App Cache folder. Right-click it and select Delete. After deleting, reopen Steam to see if it now connects. Step number 6, you can change Steam's internet protocol. Steam can run on two protocols, UDP and TCP. Try switching to TCP if you're experiencing connection issues. Right-click the Steam shortcut and go to Properties. In the target field, after the last quotation mark, add a space and type TCP. Click Apply and OK, then reopen Steam. Now, if none of these works, sometimes firewalls or antivirus softwares may block Steam. So go into your firewall settings and make sure Steam is allowed. If it's blocked, set it to allow and then restart your Steam. And that's it. One of these steps should help you reconnect to Steam. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.